the reaction, in fact, coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party on the remark by CPIM's Hanan Maula. This one is from Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad Poonawalla says ecosystem's anti-mindset has been exposed. They're abusing Hindus to just please their vote banks. Listen in.
India Alliance has only one pehchan, do Hindu Astha ka apman. Left leader Hanan Maula has said that Modi ji presented Vladimir Putin with mal. He called Bhagavad Gita mal. This is the mindset of the left parties and of India Alliance. He has not only mocked chaiwalas, he has not only mocked Gita, he has not only insulted it by calling it mal. It shows that Hindu ko do gali so that you get vote bank ki thali is the pranali of India Alliance.
So you heard the reaction that we got from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me go back to my colleague Rishabh, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Rishabh, many clearly are saying also that this is perhaps an unnecessary controversy that is now being created over this particular issue, even as the focus should really be on hosting Russian President Vladimir Putin. Russia, remember, has always been a friend to India, in every hour of need, and now even as India rolls out a red carpet for friend Vladimir Putin, we have people in the opposition raising these kind of comments.
Well, we need to understand one thing. India-Russia relationship is much beyond these controversies. And as Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that in the last 8 decades, there have been multiple challenges that India and Russia has faced. They have been tested. The India-Russia relationship has been tested by various challenges, and India and Russia has only cemented the relationship over last 8 decades. For last 2.5 decades, President Putin has been in power, and his commitment has been lauded by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So when it comes to India and Russia, such pretty politics, domestic politics, does not make much of dent. A. B, we need to understand, and as I was just pointing it out as well, that Gita does not symbolizes Hindu Rashtra or any religious thing. Gita happens to be the cultural identity of
Rishabh, request you to please stay on with us.